What's going on, everybody? Let's take the scraps thing out for a drive. It is a really nice day to be out and about in the scrap. It's not too hot, it's about 75 degrees. Scraps thing is feeling great. I do have headphones on today just for the noise canceling aspect because after like 2 to 3 hours of driving this thing, I do hear ringing in my ears. For all those people that aren't in Arizona and have never been to Arizona, it never ceases to amaze me how much cactuses there is everywhere. Obviously, right? It's the desert. Even when the Catman came down from Canada, the first things he said was, well, there's a lot of cactus. At the moment, we are on a mountain. It's a mountain with the big A on it. This is actually the mountain that I was trying to get to the top of when we did our first drive and we got stranded. I keep saying this too, but I feel like I don't enjoy the car as much as I would like to. So today, I decided to just put all the work aside, go out for a drive, film some cool stuff. And I mean, that was the whole point of this build, is to be able to get out and about and practice filming and making cool stuff for you guys. Don't forget to pick up your scrap tees. All right, I'm burning up here. Let's go to the next location. Alrighty folks, we made it to the next spot. We are at the San Javier Mission. So you can see there's a big beautiful church right behind us. I believe this dates back all the way to the 1700s. It's so pretty out here. They also have this little here, this little here. They also have this little hill. They also have this little hill here. Why is that a tongue twister? That you can hike up and get some cool photos. There's a couple vendors over here selling food and some goodies. Should we go see what they have? I am kind of curious, but Mustang is looking good. On to the next spot. We're out in the middle of nowhere and we kind of broke down. I had just set up the camera for the most epic flyby shot and our throttle went limp. Look at this. Oh, I see the issue. Looks like the pin fell out. I do hope I can fix this here because I don't want to get a tow truck. Okay, so I got the main pin in, but somewhere along the way, the cotter pin fell out. What can I use? What can I use? I mean, I'm pretty bare bones in this car. It's so beautiful out here though. Not a bad place to break down. I am right next to the traffic, so it's a little scary. The weather's not too bad though. Well, you know what I could use? All I need for something to go through that little hole to keep that pin from falling out. I know for a fact that this mini keychain would work, but Michael Sanchez sent this to us and I don't want to ruin it. Unfortunately, I'm not finding anything and we're a long ways from home. Is there any cotter pins out here? Make yourself known. Oh my gosh. Right when I said that, I stepped on this. It's not a cotter pin, but I think it will work. Ow! Okay, it stabbed me a couple times. I might need a tetanus shot after that, but let's see if it'll work. I knew nature wouldn't fail us. I just put it through there and we've got a throttle again. Also, I don't know what the hell happened, but the Mustang ripped my pants. So where were we? Oh my. That's what I'm talking about. That was an amazing run. We really put it through its paces today. I think we drove around 4 hours. That included a lot of stop and go traffic, a lot of long empty roads, a lot of dirt. There was a lot of dirt. And that's the thing. That's why I built it the way I built it, because I don't want to have to worry about anything. I literally tossed it through an off-road trail and boy, it was fun. I think I've had more fun off-road than on-road in this car. But with every run, we do learn something different. I want to tweak the alignment just a tad, maybe a little bit more toe out, as well as reduce our caster about a degree, all to improve our steering feel. Remember, we have manual steering in this car, so there's no power steering pump, just a manual rack. But holy shit, honestly, I don't think I would change it. The steering input, as well as the steering feel, is amazing. When you're on the road, you feel every bump, and not in a bad way. So you're talking to the car and the car's talking to the road, and it's just a three-way of information. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, I also have to fix the pedal. It was such dumb luck that I found that piece of metal in the desert, I was not going to undo the keychain that Michael sent us. We would have called the tow truck before ruining that keychain. But that was a crazy fun drive. We literally abused the living hell out of this car, but that's what it was built for. If you've made it this far, make sure you enter our giveaway because it's some really good stuff. Details at the end of this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one because I sure did. As always, huge thanks to our Patreon because you guys keep this channel running. With that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Well, if you've made it this far into the video, you are in for a treat. Because the Rookie Pilot YouTube channel is about to hit 20,000 subscribers, which means we're going to be doing a huge giveaway. How huge, you might ask? I'm talking 5 different participating companies. 5! The first thing we're going to give away is half a dozen Knipex pliers. The second thing we're going to be giving away is a complete gyro line kit, and if you don't know what these are or if you've been unsure of them, check out our video down below where we tested it against a $30,000 alignment rack. The third thing we're going to give away is some of this Rookie Pilot merch, which will be sponsored by KM Paint. The fourth thing we're going to be giving away is a Robo Bubble detailing kit. Last but not least, we're going to be giving away a $250 gift card towards anything on the FiTech website. Ooh, this giveaway is gonna be sweet. The entire reason for this giveaway is because without you guys, I wouldn't be sitting here telling you about my SEMA experiences, nor very much from the heart of my bottom. So how do I enter into this giveaway? You gotta be subscribed and like the video, obviously. There are 3 ways to enter actually. First one, completely free. Comment down below SEMA 2025, that will gain you 1 entry. Second option, join us on Patreon, that will get you an automatic 5 entries. Third and best option, head over to our website, check out our merch. Every order will gain you an extra 10 entries. Something like this t-shirt or this new Scraps Thing sticker. Or you can do all 3 options and better your chances. Once again, thank you to everyone who has been on this journey with us for a while now, and thank you to the new people that are tuning in.